Our next question comes from Snapchat. Check it out.
About a year ago, my husband had a cold and he coughed really hard and there was a loud pop. And I was about 6 feet away from him and I heard it too. We went to the doctor and they said that he had probably pulled the muscle away from his stomach and it was gonna hurt for quite a while. It takes a long time for it to heal. It's been a year. It's not gotten any better. He gets at most 3 hours of sleep at night. If I hug him just right, it hurts him and just about brings him to tears. All the doctors we've seen said they can't find anything wrong. He can't just live in pain. Please, doctors, we need some help.
Well, what that sounds like to me is an intercostal muscle strain or tear. And the problem is these things can linger for a long time because think about it, your chest is constantly inflating and deflating. You're pulling on that.
You can't rest it.
We've all had intercostal muscle tears or bruises, and they are extremely painful. And very often you get them after being sick, coughing, or if you vomited. You start feeling better, and then all of a sudden you go, wow, why am I so sore in my chest as a result?
You know what's tough about this is something that if they did imaging, they're probably not going to see it.
No.
And when a doctor tells you nothing's wrong, you're fine, it's tough to hear because you say, but it hurts.
And often what we just mean is you're not dying.
Right, right.
Which doesn't
But it
help you when
hurts,
you
right?
hurt,
So he's
yeah.
probably a chronic pain condition with maybe he could continue to irritate it. I mean, who knows?
And if it's truly been going on for a year and it's really painful when he's lying down, maybe when he's breathing in or he's coughing, another more rare thing would be something like a rib stress strain, which can range anywhere from a reaction to a true fracture. But in that case, if it's really going on and it's extreme, it might even need surgery.
Well, I think it needs at least a more thorough workup. Anything that's lasted a year, I mean, these things can last that long, but anything that's a year, that's way, way too long.
And this sounds like it's inhibiting normal activities of daily life.
yeah,
This isn't just when he goes bungee jumping.
This could be something more serious. You never know. It could be something in the lungs or around the lungs. So probably time to get a chest x-ray.